Hi, this is Joe, Kingdom Website Development Coordinator. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to create a sub-menu item on your website. Sub-menus are very similar to menus. They are menus, but they look a little bit different. They allow you to compress space and fit more onto your menu. We're going to use the Ambassadors Christian Church website today to show you how to create sub-menu items. I'm logged into the back end of the Ambassadors Christian Church website. Of course, you're going to have to log into the back end of your site by typing in your domain name right here and then /administrator. Once you type that in, you're going to have to enter in your username and your password and log in. That will get you into the back end of your site. So, I'm in the back end of the Ambassadors Christian Church site. We're going to create a sub-menu item. But before we do that, I want to show you what it looks like on the front end. Remember, once we get into the back end of the site, we can take a look at the front end of the site by clicking on Preview. This will take us to the front end of the site. This is the Ambassadors Christian Church front end of the site. They have two menus. Here's the top menu. Here's the side menu over here. This is the side menu. A little bit more complicated site put together. Your site might not have two menus. What I'm going to show you today is how to create a sub-menu item on your top menu if you have a top menu. If you want to create a sub-menu item on your side menu, that's a little bit more complicated, and you can give your Kingdom representative a telephone call. Call me at 1-800-827-5167, and I can show you how to do that or get that set up for you. But this is what a sub-menu item looks like. We're only focusing, remember, on the top menu. There's sub-menu items under I Am New. These are also pages under the I Am New section. This is what we're looking to create, sub-menu items like this. You see how it gives us more space. This menu item goes almost all the way across the top of the page. There would be no way that we would be able to put these and make them fit on the top of the page. So I created sub-menu items for the I Am New page. We're going to add a sub-menu item under the I Am New page. A lot of people wonder what they should wear when they're coming to visit a church, whether they should get all dressed up in suit and tie or whether casual dress would be fine. So we are going to create another page. The title of that page will be, What Should I Wear? We're going to put that under here. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to go into the back end of the site again. And I have not created this article yet. So I'm going to click on the article manager. Remembering that articles create pages in your site, and when we have a page created in your site, we have to link that to a menu. So I'm going to create my article, which will in turn create a page, and I'm going to do that. I clicked on New. My computer's working kind of slow. Here's the title. What should I wear? I'm going to leave the alias field blank. In the section, I'm going to select Uncategorized. This will be published. It will not be the front page. The category is uncategorized. What should I wear? It's the title of the page down here. And just very simple copy. And in this church, casual dress will be fine. Come as you are. I'm going to make this the larger. And I bolded it. And I'm going to make this larger as well. And this is essentially what our new page is going to be. It's pretty simple, but for the sake of our lesson today, this is what we're going to do. I have created my article. I'm going to save it. When I click save, it's going to take me back to the article manager. And from the article manager, I want to go to the control panel. Once I'm at the control panel, I could click on the menu manager to create a new menu item. You haven't seen this screen yet in our tutorials. I wanted to share this with you. There are three menus. Sometimes your graphic designer will create menus that you aren't aware of. They will be hidden menus. The user menu is a hidden menu. It does not show up on the site. This is the top menu of our site. Right here, I went to the home page. This is the top menu. The main menu right here is the the side menu. You can see this side menu also has some sub items, but to do that, it's a little bit more complicated. Give your Kingdom graphic designer a telephone call. We're focusing on top menu sub items today. So we are going to go back to our top menu, go over here, and clicking here, you'll see the different menu items that are on that top menu. Realizing and knowing that if they are published, which means that they will show up, it's green. If not, we'll check them off as red. The folks at Ambassadors Christian Church had a women's conference. That conference is in the past. We have turned those off so they do not display. You can also see in these menu items, Home, I Am New, Paths to Christ, Find Us, Contact Us, Home, I Am New, Path to Christ, Find Us, Contact Us, etc. These are right here. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Our submenu items are already in here as 3 and 4. You see the difference of how they're off to the right a little bit. What we want to do is we want to create another submenu item to put under the I Am New, and that's the What Should I Wear? So I want to create a new menu item. Click on New. 99% of the time you are going to be clicking Articles when we select the menu type, Articles. 99% of the time you're going to be selecting Article Layout. Title, What Should I Wear? Leaving the alias field blank. We want to display this in the top menu. We want to select our article. We had just created this article. What should I wear? Now, we want to select a parent item. And I want to select I Am New as the parent item. This was set at the default as the top menu. When the parent item is the top menu, it will become a regular menu item. But when you select a menu item down here as the parent item, it will put your new menu item as a submenu item to what you selected as the parent item. That sounded kind of complicated, but it's really pretty simple. It's easier when you see it. I'm going to select Apply to save our changes and not leave the screen. And then we will go to the home page and check out what happened. I'm clicking Refresh to make sure our changes took place. And here in the I Am New is a new submenu item, What Should I Wear? I click on that. It will take us to the page that I just created. Now I want to go back to our menu item, and I want to show you something else. If I wanted to put this What Should I Wear submenu item under, let's say, under the Find Us menu item, I would go back in here and click on the Find Us as the parent item. Let me click Apply to save that, and we'll go back out to the front and take a look. I'm going to go to the home page. I'm going to click Refresh. And now, it used to be under the I Am New with the FAQs and service times, but now it's under the Find Us. You can put this submenu item under any menu item that's up there. I'm going to put it back under the I Am New. Click on Save. When that's saved, I'm going to go back here, click to the home, click Refresh. I Am New. What should I wear? There you go. That is how you create submenu items on your top menu. In the next lesson, we're going to learn how to jazz up our articles a little bit and add some pictures, because it would be pretty cool to show people what they could wear with a picture. Thanks so much. Take care. God bless.